The Motorola Moto G75 5G is a mid-range smartphone that distinguishes itself with robust durability, a solid performance profile, and a commitment to extended software support. Here's an overview of its key features. The Motorola Moto G75 5G is designed with durability in style and mind, featuring a robust build and refined aesthetics. It boasts military-grade certification MIL, STD, 810H, ensuring resilience against drops up to 1.2 meters, extreme weather conditions, and pressure changes. Additionally, the device carries an IP68 rating, providing protection against dust and water immersion. The smartphone is available in both vegan leather and matte material finishes, offering users a choice between a premium leather feel and a sleek matte look. The Motorola Moto G75 5G features a 6.78-inch IPS LCD display with a full HD plus resolution of 2388 by 1080 pixels, resulting in a pixel density of approximately 387 ppi. The screen supports a 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth visuals and has a touch sampling rate of 240 Hz, enhancing responsiveness during interactions. Additionally, it boasts a peak brightness of up to 1000 nits in high brightness mode, HBM, ensuring clear visibility even under bright lighting conditions. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, offering durability against scratches and minor impacts. The Motorola Moto G75 5G is a mid-range smartphone that delivers commendable performance for its price point. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 processor. In benchmark tests, the Moto G75 5G achieves a Geekbench 6 single-core score of 1083 and a multi-core score of 2988, indicating solid performance within its category. This positions it favorably against competitors, offering fluid user experiences in daily tasks and moderate gaming scenarios. Now, let's talk cameras. The Moto G75 features a 50MP main camera that delivers sharp, detailed shots in good lighting. The 8MP ultra-wide camera is great for landscapes, and the 16MP front camera takes decent selfies. Low-light performance is average, but night mode helps a bit. Video recording maxes out at 1080p, which is decent for casual use. The Motorola Moto G75 5G is equipped with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM, which can be expanded up to 16GB using RAM boost technology. For storage, it offers two internal options, 128GB and 256GB, both utilizing UFS 2.2 technology. Additionally, the device supports storage expansion of up to 1 TB via a microSD card, using a shared SIM slot. The Motorola Moto G75 5G is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, delivering commendable endurance for daily use. In practical scenarios, users have experienced substantial battery life, for instance, an intensive 15.5-hour workday with over 5 hours of screen-on time left, approximately 43% battery remaining, indicating the potential for up to 2 days of light to moderate usage. In media playback tests, streaming a 1080p YouTube video for 3 hours resulted in a 7% battery drain per hour, suggesting efficient power consumption during video playback. The device supports 30W wired, turbo power charging, though it's noteworthy that a compatible charger is not included in the box. Additionally, wireless charging is supported at up to 15W, providing flexibility in charging options. The Moto G75 runs on Android 13 with Motorola's near-stock UI. It's clean, bloatware-free, and comes with handy features like Moto Actions and customization options. Motorola also promises 2 years of software updates. Pros: sleek design, 120 Hz display, decent performance, solid battery life. Cons: LCD display, not AMOLED. Average low-light camera. Performance: no stereo speakers. Conclusion: so, is the Moto G75 5G worth it? Absolutely, if you're looking for a solid mid-range phone with a clean software experience, good performance, and reliable battery life. It's perfect for casual users and gamers on a budget. However, If you're after a better display or flagship level cameras, you might need to spend a bit more.